Ayan mga kamaster, nag-ipor na. Di nawala na yung yelo. Kasi nagkaman na doon sa outdoor na may problema. Pero nandito yung problema sa indoor. Hindi gumagana. Chinchingkaw.
He got hit. Why is he so happy? Dilophosaurus can squirt powerful liquid, but he has a weak neck. Dilophosaurus, as long as you detoxify.
Neat. He acts like this. What a foodie he is.
Carnotaurus, what are you doing? T-Rex, it's time! Dinosaur fangs!
Yan mga kamaster, nirepair na natin yung board. Okay na. So nandito naman na nag-yelo naman, no. Bakit nga ba nag-yelo? Ayan. Kasi yung blower hindi umaandar. Ayan, kaya hindi ito magbubunga ng malamig.